Let's see how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word, and then click on the Design tab, and over here, you'll see the option for watermark. And here you can see the different kinds of watermarks that you can add to your document. So let's just try some of it out. And there you go. You have your watermark. You can even add a custom watermark, such as a text watermark with custom text. So for example, let's try using secret. Apply, and it's going to reflect on the document. Or we can even add a picture watermark. So for example, we'll select a picture of a sunset. And let's wash it out. And there you go. You have the picture of a sunset as your watermark. I hope this helped, and see you soon!